This is a brief overview of the first reflection and analysis assignment. Review the posted grading scheme to find out how the assignment will be evaluated. You will receive marks for the weekly work that you have submitted to date as part of this evaluation. This evaluation has two parts. Part 1. The work submitted for Module 1, Unit 2 and Module 2, Units 1 and 2 is worth 10 marks. Part 2, the reflection assignment, is worth the other 10 marks, and the questions are connected to your learning and submissions to date. This assignment requires that you review the work you have submitted so far and reflect on your learning and contributions to the class. It also involves describing how your peers promoted your learning. It's important to analyze the newly required knowledge and explain its significance so that you remember key concepts long after the course is over. Make sure your reflections have depth by including specific terms or theories from the unit chapters. The paper has a required structure to follow: an introduction, body, and conclusion. The cover page is not necessary. Just include your first and last name, your student number, assignment title, and date at the top of page 1. The body or content of the paper will be your answers to all of the questions on the assignment page. If for whatever reason you did not complete one of the units, you will not be able to answer all of the questions. For example, for question B, if you did not reply to any peers, you will not be able to answer and therefore will not earn marks for this question. Similarly, question E relates to your own contributions in a small group discussion. If you did not participate in Module 2, Unit 2, you will not answer this question. However, you should be able to answer the remaining questions. Don't forget to have a conclusion. It could be the highlights of the key topics that you have learned, which are important to you, or knowledge you may use later in life. The paper must be a minimum of 2 pages, single-spaced, 12 font, 1-inch margins. The maximum should be 2.5 pages. Marks are deducted for documents that are too long or too short. I look forward to reading your reflection assignments.